Oh, I think he is a war criminal. He's a butcher. For God's sake, this man cannot remain in power.
I think it's unlikely that President Putin is going to decide not to participate in peace talks because of some words that came out of the mouth of the President of the United States. He's going to decide to participate them if it's in his interests.
Okay, a lot going on today. All right, couple of toppers to kick us.
Your family budget, your ability to fill up your tank, none of it should hinge on whether a dictator declares war and commits genocide half a world away.
Mr. President, have you seen enough evidence to declare genocide in Ukraine, sir?
Yes, I called it genocide because it's become clearer and clearer that Putin is just trying to wipe out the idea of even being able to be a Ukrainian. And the evidence is mounting. It's different than it was last week. The more evidence is coming out of literally the horrible things that the Russians have done in Ukraine.
Do you think that there is any danger to global leaders, including Vladimir Putin, to Olaf Scholz, if they can't be sure when they hear words coming out of the president's mouth, whether he is stating a personal opinion versus making a statement about U.S. policy?
Do you have an example of somebody who's confused? A leader?
Well, I think my colleague brought up Emmanuel Macron responding and saying, the use of the language genocide he sees as rhetorical escalation.
President Putin is brutally targeting civilians and brutalizing a country right now. So this president, was speaking to what those atrocities are and what he is seeing on the ground. A number of other leaders have done exactly that.
So if the U.S. were to legally determine that what is happening in Ukraine is genocide, what would the sort of legal obligations from the United States be at that point?
It doesn't change a policy. There would be an international effort to explore that and an investigation at an international level. Those often take many years.
And nothing has changed in terms of the president not wanting to send in U.S. troops to Ukraine.
Correct. Nothing has changed. Go ahead. Thanks everyone so much.